Not all cats are cute. Some of them are just confusing. Here are 10 weird-faced cats that look like they've seen things they were not supposed to see. And the last one makes you more confused. But first, like and subscribe for more. Let's get started. Emo Latte. Grandpa Gremlin. Angry Cotton Supreme. Judge Meowington III. Coal Nugget with Eyes. Goblin Mode Supreme. Half-Baked Loaf. Biscuit Von Derp. Existential Toast. Unbothered Moth. Meowzilla Ribbon Pants.